Bye! Hello po, Tisa. Good morning. Wala, hindi dyan! I'm like a bird. It's 3:24 and I'm already done with all of the tests. Subject has like 1 hour and I keep finishing under 30 minutes and I think that's a problem. Not my problem. There was an entire part in the reviewer that our teacher provided for our class. There was an entire part there that I did not go through because I felt like she's not gonna use this, and she did. For one question, for one item, we had to identify what domain, like .com, .org, stuff like that. It was modified true or false, so you had to write true if the statement was true and replace the underlined word with what it's supposed to be if it's false. There was one question there where it said that the .org is the domain for network providers, and I was kind of stuck for that because I kind of started to regret not going through that part of the review. So I left it behind and I went through all of the questions that I still had. I finished the test and then I went back to the questions where I didn't have answers for, and then I went .net, and then I wrote it down, and then I just checked the reviewer. It's on my phone, the file, and I'm right. I wasn't wrong. Like, it's okay if I don't pass this test, but as long as I know that I was able to figure that out, that's enough for me. I'm happy with that. Just that. Oh no. This is how quiet it is here. I don't usually sit here when I finish my tests, but there were grade 11 students at the spot where I would normally sit, which is why I went here. This is like the farthest part of the student lounge. This is the hottest part as well, but I don't mind. At least there's no one here. Currently walking to church, and I've never filmed myself while walking on my own, so this is very weird. But we finished filming and I felt like a fraud, but also the best actress ever. Bum, bum, bum. Sorry, ay, testing ko lang.
Isa mo pangit.
Aray! Ang pangit mo. Yay! Tagalan. Uy! Uy! May ano dyan eh.
Kaya namin gusto dalhin dito nanay.
Talaga ba?
Oo, kasi may UJ dyan, no? Tara, tayo.
We are at historic site. Historic site?
Hindi mo alam yun.
Huwag kang lalabas dyan, ha? Huwag kang lalabas ka, Pasman.
Okay po.
Alam ko dyan, ito.
Ano pinatawa ni bro, ha? Tayo.
Kasi dyan. 12:13 ako dumating. 12:13, tapos natapos ako ng 12:19. Hello! What's one message to incoming grade 11 students? Sabi ko pa naman, hala, school uniform kami ngayon. Baka ito na yung one of the last times na masusuot ko to. Kaya I need to look great. But I don't kasi basa pa yung buhok ko.
Tara, let's take it.
I read the schedule beforehand and I know the sequence of the tests that we're going to take, and I know for a fact that the test that I just took was supposed to be the last one. I was reviewing an entirely different subject. The subject that I was on was in English. The test we took was in the mother tongue. And I don't know what just happened. I finished second, but I don't mind. And that was probably the hardest test that I've taken in the past 2 days, 1 day. But I don't know. Probably going to fail that one, but I don't have no idea what's going to happen now. I don't think it's serious. Mango just fell. This is a canteen. Yeah, canteen. And then the faculty/library area.
Ay! Shit! Napagpalit ko yung technology time na yung 1 up to. Napagpalit ko.
Ano yun?
3,500.
Thank you. Consider the school year done because I am so done. I'm going to church and then I'm going to leave my stuff there because I have 2 bags. I have 2 bags and I want to carry just one. My folders with me because I have to get something printed. And yeah, we're gonna do that. Tignan mo. Kaway.
Hello guys.
Hi guys, I'm with my best friend. He's a tiger. Tiger!
Tiger uniform.
Tiger
Yay!
uniform na walang ID.
Proud.
Yes, bakit ang ID mo? Yeah!
Ito ka ba, print mo?
Pangalan mo. Dami namang ganap sa inyo. Huwag na ilabis pa, boycott niya yan.
I-print tayo.
Boycott niya na yan.
Pero dahil pagdating ng college, nag-iisa na.
Pero isa yung campus mo. Pasa mo sa akin, pasa mo sa akin. Ako teacher niya. Hindi ko pala nagkakagabi. Ayoko na. Just left the school from my final research defense. I asked for money from a classmate because I'm going to go on the bus and I'm going to call my mom, telling her that I'm going home. It's 9:44. The defense wasn't that bad, which is great. And I think it's the big one too, the one that I like. But I think I'm wrong. I think it's the wrong one. Oh, it's the wrong one. What is this? A joke?
Yes! Pupunta kami sa inyo.
Ah!